Okay, so I switched colors. um, to continue on with this, you have to figure out the percentage change and see if A was growing faster than C or vice versa to determine if them losing one made a difference. So percent change is taking the new amount minus the old amount and dividing it by the old amount. So 2 years later, A's population was 124,334. Under the now column, it was at 120,105. And so you'll divide it by the 120, 105. So I do all that math and I get 0.0352. When I do C's, 2 years later, C's population was 23,686 minus 23,601. And you'll divide it by the 23,601. That's a subtraction sign. Right? 2 years later, that's the new amount. Go back to the old amount, previous 2 years. And when I subtract there, I get 0.0036. Okay, so this is really 3.52%. And this is only, if you move the decimal 2 places, it's 0.36%. C is not growing fast at all. A is growing a lot faster. So, let's see. Yes, because although one of the airports lost security personnel to another airport, its percentage growth was not larger. And again, this is, did the population paradox occur? Yes, because the number of security personnel stayed the same at each airport. Well, I know that didn't happen. No, because each airport gained security personnel. That didn't happen. Neither of those things happened. It said security personnel stayed the same at each airport. No, go back and look at it. They didn't stay the same. This one started at 117 and went up to 118. This started at 23 and went down to 22. So there was definitely a change. So it cannot be this one. And then it says no because each airport gained security personnel. No, it said each airport gained it. One airport stayed exactly the same. And then one did gain, but one lost. So it can't be that. And then some down to 2. No, because although one of the airports lost security personnel to another, its percentage growth was not larger. The top one says yes, because although one of the airports lost security personnel to another, if you compare these, let me use the highlighter on this. Let's go bright green and go a little bigger. Okay. They both read the exact same right here, because although one of the airports lost security personnel to another airport, and here it says the same thing, because although one of the airports lost security personnel to the other airport, this one is saying, yes, the population paradox occurs because they lost it. Its percentage growth was not larger. Yes, it was. Its percentage growth, wait a minute, its percentage growth was larger. This is saying was not larger. And then this one, need another color, says no, its percentage growth was not larger. Wait, you're both saying the same thing. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. Brain fart. Let me go back here. Who was it? Okay. C lost to A, right? C's the one that lost it. A gained it. A went from 117 to 118. C lost. So there was some changes going on here, but the paradox only occurs if the one who loses it is growing faster than the other one, and C was not growing faster. A was growing faster. So A got the extra person. It made sense that he should do that. So it's no. Its percentage growth was not larger. I was looking at A for some reason. I don't know why, because I was like, well, A is larger. But A wasn't the one that lost a security personnel. C was the one that lost it. And that's okay, because A was growing faster. It makes more sense. A should get it. If it had been the other way around and A had lost the person and that 3.52 is bigger than 0.36, then I'd say yes. Okay, so anyway, that's the end of that problem. Sorry it took me so long, but I tried to make it shorter. All right, I'm done.